My living room is where I spend most of my time at home. It's super small, but I'm grateful for its gorgeous view of the lake. I do wish it was a bit bigger, but with how new apartments in Toronto are built, small spaces are just the reality. The color palette of my space is light beige and neutral. I've been collecting photos on Pinterest for the past 10 years and I still do, where light, cozy interiors inspire me. But to add more color, I brought in my own watercolor paintings. All of these watercolor paintings are by me. Most of them are inspired by Pinterest, but I love making them my own. Painting has always been therapeutic for me. If you're interested in commissions, message me on Instagram or comment below. Interior design is really satisfying and my friends say I am good at it, but I don't want to brag. By the way, nothing I mentioned here is sponsored. There are just the items I actually have in my home. If you're interested in my sofa, I'll leave the link in the description and all of the rest of my items that I'm mentioning in the video. This sectional sofa is from Cozy, part of the Atmosphere collection, which is all about flexibility and personalization. The covers are removable and washable, which is great because I have to wash them often. I also love that you can change the color whenever you want to match your decor. Since my living space is small, I had to move part of the sectional to the other side of my apartment. The deep seating is super comfortable and I love the modern look. I think the pricing is good compared to other brands and I use their monthly payment plan to split the cost. Assembly was pretty easy, everything fits together like puzzle pieces. I love grouping my plants in one area. It looks better in interior design that way. This tall plant is from a store near my building. I forgot the name. Some of these were gifts, and this one is an orchid with beautiful white flowers. The bamboo is from IKEA. It grows really well. This plant needed some trimming, so I cut the branches. And this one is a fake plant from IKEA, but it still adds a nice touch of greenery. Lighting makes such a difference in a space, and this small wooden lamp is from Amazon. It's called the wood desk lamp, which is vintage looking, and this floor lamp is from Wafer. I got it in summer 2021, so about 4 years ago, but it's still available. This round table is from Amazon. I love how the white color matches my TV stand while contrasting with the dark brown floor. I used to use it as my desk, but it was a bit too small for that. This is a Firefly TV from Amazon. The quality has been great so far. I used to have a TCL TV, but it kept crashing. I haven't had any issues with this one. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the link. It seems to be sold out. Assembling this TV stand was a struggle. It was so hard for me, and honestly, it doesn't feel super sturdy right now. But I used the cabinets as storage for a bunch of my stuff. One day I'll actually organize it. This rug is from HomeSense. It was only $22, and it's a handmade Indian rug. It really ties my living room together and makes the space feel more cozy. That's everything in my living room. I hope you enjoyed this little tour. Let me know in the comments what your favorite piece is, or if you have any home decor recommendations. And if you're interested in my watercolor paintings, don't forget to message me. Thanks for watching.
Just wanna around.